Good morning, students. Today now we are going to topic about unit 17 plant kingdom. Okay, plant kingdom. Okay, shall we move the slide? First of all, listen carefully, students. Okay, can you understand this slide? Sure. Okay. First of all, what is a plant? What is a plant? Plant organisms that are made up of eukaryotic cells with a cellulose cell wall. Okay, plants are organized forming multicultural organism with tissues or producers. It is to say they have autotrophic and nutritions. Okay, autotrophic and nutritions. So importance point of eukaryotic cells with cellulose and cell walls, so cells outsides of plant. Okay, then only next one, main characteristic of plants are adapted to terrestrial environment, so they have different parts, a root to get water and minerals, salt from the soil, leaves to get light and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, stem to communications, the other two parts. Plants are sessile organisms. They cannot move themselves because they are fixed to the ground. Plants are autotrophic organisms, produce their own food thanks to a process called photosynthesis, which takes place in the chloroplast. Certain organelles containing a green substance called chlorophylls. ஸோ க்ரீன் கலரில் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், ஸோ சம் பிளான்ட்ஸ் இருக்குங்கிறது காரணம் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், ஸோ குளோரோஃபைல்ஸு. Then only stems. Okay, plants, more parts of the plants. So first roots, underground of roots, and upsides of grow in the stem and leaves and fruits and flowers. So most parts of the carry to plants and increases of growing that last stages of tree. Okay, then only next one, plants classifications. Plant non-vascular plants and vascular plants. Non-vascular plants, bryophytes. Okay, bryophytes and pterophytes and spermatophytes. Okay, bryophytes and pterophytes and spermatophytes. There are spermatophytes two types, and gymnosperms and angiosperms. Okay, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Next one, the plant's family tree. Okay, first with no vascular systems, tissues. Second parts of first parts of seeds inside a fruit. Okay, first for tissues with a no vascular system, second first of vascular systems. So conduct the vascular systems and then only conduct the seeds. So inside seeds, inside say a fruit develop the plants. Okay, so the plant family tree, this is called as plant family tree. Next one, bryophytes like mosses. Mosses means of possy சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த possy. They are the simplest plants. Due to the lack of vascular systems, they cannot get a big size, and all of them are very small plant. They live in damp places because they need liquid water to produce. Next one, mosses. Mosses plants of some examples of plants. Okay, so possy நீருக்குள்ள வாழுற plants. Okay, so water inside the growth of plants. Next one, pterophytes like ferns. They have vascular systems to carry up and down raw and evaporated sap, so they can get a big size like tree as they did in the past. They still needed of liquid water to reproduce. That is why fern live in damp places. Okay, then only Ferns, some examples of plants, hills areas and water sites areas of plants, okay, grow the plants. Next one, mosses and ferns, plants of hills area sites, so mostly largest trees of plants, mosses and ferns. Then only spermatophytes, okay, spermatophytes, they are vascular plants which reproduce by using flowers and seeds. They can live in almost every terrestrial environment because the reproduction is not found to liquid water. There are two groups of spermatophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Next one, gymnosperms, they have seed but no fruit. So seeds are nude. Actually gymnosperm means nude seeds, okay. Most of them are bushes or tree. This is this in the case of conifers, which are false fruits like pines and cypress. The sequoia is the largest tree in the world. Gymnosperm, some examples of gymnosperm plants, trees and pins flowers, okay, pins flowers, it is a pin flowers and it is a pin cones. Already we you see the plant pin cones. Then only more gymnosperms, a fire, okay, more gymnosperms, so largest tree of gymnosperms, it is some examples, okay. Then only angiosperms plant, okay, angiosperms plant, rose plant and lily plants, so angiosperms plant. This one, angiosperms, they have complete flowers and fruits with seeds inside. They include a wide variety of trees, bushes and grasses like apple tree, rose bushes or dandelions, okay. Next one, almond trees, from flowers to seeds, this is called as almond tree. Next one, apple tree. Next one, the grass plant, dandelinia, okay, dandelinia, so this is a grass plant. Nutrition in plants, how do plant cells get their nutrients? Plant or photosynthesis organism that produce their own organic molecules according to the following reaction. Photosynthesis, water molecules and carbon dioxide, light energy, so photosynthesis of light, sunlight energy of organic molecules, so that is glucose and fats, react with glucose and fats. Next one, go from the air, light energy, organic molecules, water molecules, salt from the soil. This process has the following stages: Rossop formations and Rossop transportations and photosynthesis. Then only dispersions of the elaborated sap, okay, dispersions of the elaborated sap. Then only plant systems of elaborated of sap, photosynthesis of plant, okay. Next one, photosynthesis react with first underground of Rossop formations, then only underground up downs, Rossop transportations, and then only leaves, all leaves photosynthesis, okay, photosynthesis, then only dispersions of elaborated sap, then only plant respiration. All living cells needs energy to carry out their process. That energy is released from the nutrients growth, a process called cellular respiration, which is just as of opposite to the process of photosynthesis. Already I have photosynthesis of organic molecules, glucose factor react with oxygen molecules gives inorganic molecules H2O and carbon dioxide. Okay, next one, plant during daytime. First of all, sun it is a water molecules, they react with glucose and cytoplasms, and then only last one energy. Okay, during daytimes react with plant, then only during nighttime react with plant. Plant reproduction. Plant can reproduction either asexually or asexually. Asexually reproduction through the process of vegetative production. A new plant can be formed from a part of the other plant. Sexual reproduction, when plant reproduction through flower. Vegetative reproduction. Flowers reproductive organs and supermatophytes. Okay, the complete flowers are adapted to be pollinated by the means insects. That why they have appealing colors and smells. A flowers is made up of stem, 4 parts of modified leaves. Flower structure, productive plants and reproductive plants. The parts of your flowers. Okay, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Inside of gymnosperms and outside parts, so angiosperms and corolla and calyx. Okay, next one, the reproductive of pods. Okay, importance of gymnosperms and angiosperms. Ovule, insides of ovule and grains of pollen, grains of pollens, the reproductive parts. The reproductive parts, pollinations, fertilizations, the forming of fruits, the germination of seeds. So reproductive of process of through wind insects and grain pollen mixes and tube and reaches the ovule. The gymnosium becomes fruits, ovule becomes a seeds. The germination of seeds after the fruits in eaten or fallen to the ground seeds. Okay, thank you students, thank you to all. Watch the videos and refer these lessons. Okay, thank you to all.